So friends, Google will introduce the upcoming Pixel 9 series, and let me tell you, Google's annual Made by Google event were usually held in October and November. This time, Google surprised everyone and announced that the next event will be held in California in August. This big event is expected to launch the Pixel 9 series, Pixel Watch 3 XL and the new Android 15 version. While Google was expected to hold its new event between October and November, the latest official announcement surprised everyone. The Made by Google event was announced to be held on 13th August. This surprised many users and Google has moved all plans earlier. We don't know why Google is doing this. Maybe their new products are officially ready for release. That's why they might be doing the new event earlier. At the Made by Google event, Google will announce the Pixel 9 series, the Pixel Watch 3 XL and the new Android 15 version. Pixel 9 series consists of 4 different models: Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL and Pixel 9 Pro Fold. While announcing the new Pixel 9 series, Google also planned to introduce the Pixel Watch 3 XL. One of the reasons to be curious about this event is Android 15. With the announcement of Android 15, stable Android 15 updates will gradually start to be rolled out to devices. The new Android operating system is expected to offer users a more optimized experience. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.